Hello families, we hope you're doing well. I want to thank Taylor for playing this game against me and for Matthew for videotaping. For this game you want a standard deck of cards. You're going to remove the king and the jack. Also realize we're calling this Lucky 13. You also can call it Lucky 9, Lucky 7, whatever you want the sum of the two cards to be. Just realize if you play Lucky 7, you're going to remove where you only have the cards up to 7 in the deck. If you play Lucky 9, only have the cards up to 9 in the deck, remove the rest. Also realize when we play this game, the queen, so when the queen comes up, that's 0. So just imagine that that is a 0, not a queen. Okay, so everything else is at its face value. So Taylor's going to be given 4 cards. Her goal, using only 2 of the cards, how close can she get to 13?
9 and 7, 16.
So 9 and 7 is 16. We know that's 3 away from 13, so she got 3 for that round. I'm going to put out my 4 cards. Oh, 8 and 5 is 13, so I got 0 for that round. Okay, now Taylor will go again.
10 and 3, 13.
So she got 0 for that round. So I could either do 7 and 7 is 14 or 7 and 5 is 12. They're both 1 away. I got 1 for that round.
9 and 4.
So Taylor did 9 and 4 is 13, so she got 0 for that round. Oh, 9 and 4 is 13, I got 0. You play this out a total of 5 rounds. So let's imagine the next round Taylor got 0. Let's say I got a 1. Let's say the next round Taylor got 0 and I got a 1. Well, when it's all said and done, Taylor would add a total of 3 points. I would add a total of 3 points. We would have tied. Whoever has the lowest point total is actually the winner when you play the game. But like I said, this is Lucky 13. You could play it as Lucky 7 or Lucky 9. Just if you play Lucky 7, you have to remove the 8, the 9, the 10. Okay? If you play Lucky 9, you remove just the 10. Hopefully this helped you and enjoy. Thank you.